Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite shopping apps. Today, we're tackling how to add a payment method on SHEIN in 2025. SHEIN is still one of the go-to spots for affordable, trendy clothes, and adding a payment method is essential for seamless checkout. Whether you're a first-timer or just updating your details, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the SHEIN app installed on your phone or access their website on your computer. For this tutorial, I'll use the app since it's the most popular way to shop. Open the app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, hit that Sign Up button and create one quickly. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. It looks like a little person silhouette. From there, scroll down and look for the Settings or Account Settings option. In the Settings menu, find and select Payment Methods. This is where the magic happens. Now, hit the Add New Payment Method button. You'll see options like credit, debit cards, PayPal, or even digital wallets. Choose your preferred one. For example, let's say you're adding a credit card. Enter the required details carefully: card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. After you've filled in the info, tap Save or Add. SHEIN might ask for verification, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once it's verified, your payment method is all set and ready to use for your next shopping spree. And that's it, folks. Adding a payment method on SHEIN in 2025 is quick, secure, and hassle-free. Pro tip: always use secure networks when entering financial info, and keep your account updated. If you enjoyed this guide, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and shopping tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. See you in the next video.